Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have this tutorial. I have a tutorial on this look right here. This is so cute. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette for the whole eye look. So if you guys are interested in learning how to achieve this, keep on watching. Do y'all see this little granita right here? I have a lot of baby hair, so I'm gonna take my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer and apply this all over the lid to act as a base slash primer. So we're gonna start applying this shade all over our lovely crease. It's just gonna go right underneath our transition color. I don't want to say put it on the crease because I don't know, everybody does their crease different. I don't add my crease color on my crease ever because my crease is very low. So because I have hooded eyes, so I always have to go a little higher than my actual crease. This color is very pigmented, but it's so pretty. So make sure you blend this shadow really well. I'm using a Morphe M33 brush. I'm going to take really quickly my first brush and make sure to blend the yellow and the orange together. So once the orange shade is there, we're going to jump on to a little darker color. We're going to be using this one right here. Starting off right here in the outer corner and dragging it slowly towards our crease. You want to make sure you bring all of these colors all the way towards the inner corner of the eye because we are going to be using concealer to cut this, so you want to make sure it starts from all the way over here. Taking my previous brush, the Morphe R33, I'm just going to blend. We're going to go ahead and cut this crease. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Take some of the orange shade and start blending that right here. Just gonna blend this. I'm gonna take my pencil brush and then I'm gonna take some of this forest green right here to add some more depth to the eye right here in the outer corner. And then blending that with my Morphe M518. And I'm not going to drag this color anywhere, we're just going to blend it right there where it's at. I'm kind of overlapping the blue over the white. I'm gonna take some more of that green forest and then finish blending that over here and layer it over the blue. So I'm just gonna coat my lashes with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Stick. I don't know what I should do on my bottom lash line. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on to the face. I've already moisturized. I used the Believe Moisturizing Balm right here. And then for primer, I used my Too Faced Hangover RX, which I love. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation, just because this is one of my top faves right now. So for concealer, I'm using both my Instant Age Rewind and my Tarte Shape tape. These are like my favorite. And if you add some concealer to your forehead and your chin like I do, you want to make sure to blend that out first, because you don't want to have a whole lot of product on your sponge after blending the under eye and then going back to the forehead and having like a whole bunch of concealer on there. So today I will be using a new setting powder. I will be trying out the RCMA No color powder. I like my Laura Mercier powder, but I just wanted to try something new and a little more affordable. To contour, I'm going to use my Naked Skin, my Urban Decay Naked Skin Contour Little Stick. This is in the shade Dark Neutral. To bronze up the face a little more, I'm going to go in with my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I contoured my nose a little bit, and I added some powder to the right underneath my contour, just so we can have a little more, so we can have a more snatched effect. So now it's time to set this face. I'm gonna use the Morphe setting mist. Now taking my pencil brush, I'm gonna go back in. Let's go ahead and take this one right here. Ooh, that looks pretty. I really want to add some inner corner highlight, but then I kind of like it like this. You see the struggle? The struggle? Alright, so for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Amrezy highlighter. Should I add an inner corner highlight? I am. This is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. This is by L'Oreal. It's the Infallible paints. This is the shade 342. A little bit in the center. This is by ColourPop and I Love Sarai. This is the color Curvy. I would totally wear this for a day or night, depending like my outfit, you know. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys liked it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Follow me on social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Yeah, I'm really liking this. Really liking this.